And we are back for week number 12 here. So simply being, our account is sitting at 0.26%. Last week we could have made a whole bunch of percent, but simply we made the mistakes, and guess what? We have learned from it, and we are up for London session. I think I'm gonna take a little short nap because I am fucking tired as fuck right now. But guess what? We still gotta make this bread. So I'm gonna have like an alarm set for what might happen for the markets. So simply being, let's see what's going on with it right now. So for this to adjust. So starting off, these are the pairs that we have for this week. I really like NZJPY again. It is a good potential trade to be taken. This is our area of interest we have set already. So starting off, we have AUDUSD. Wait for some buys here. As soon as we get a nice continuation trade going on here. So right now we're waiting for a small break from this area to retest this, to have some more confluences here. Honestly, it can be taken already, but I kind of want to see the engulfing and shift the structure of this area here. So to have this break and the retest, we can have this 4-hour rejection, the rejection from previous structure point, all those extra confluences to be a lot more added up. And then right here, NZJPY is flying through. That's what we were wanting to see last week, but guess what? Did not happen. So we're gonna move on and just do our shit. NZUSD, we're still waiting for a little more rejections in order to be taking this sell from the left head, right shoulder right here. So simply being, we need to see a shift of structure for us to be wanting and willing to take the trade. Moving on to this one. This one's a really good one as well. GPAUD. To me, these two right now are my top two to possibly happen during London. So we're gonna watch out for this one. We're gonna look out for this one because it is looks like it's gonna be possibly coming to go to here right now. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna wait out to see exactly what will happen with the markets. Is there anything else? This one waiting for it to retest back down here. GPUSD. I don't like GPUSD too much. Like, it needs like a bigger rejection, honestly. And then USD CAD waiting for it to have a bigger. This is not really just ready just yet, honestly. And EURUSD, they need more time. It needs more time. Easily could have taken a trade right here. Easily could have, but that was not enough rejections for me to enter in that trade, so I did not take it. So this week, my goal is, what's gonna happen for this week? We're gonna make 0 mistakes, simply profit off of these trades, and then be up more than or equal to 5% for the week. This is simply where the situation I'm gonna be in right now, and it's gonna happen. You wanna know why? Because we're gonna be making executions, predicted trades, everything that we need in order to be a very successful trader is going to happen. Why? Because it will. I will. There's no other way. I gotta get out of this situation. I gotta go to work in like 6-7 hours. So that's basically it. For it to take a little nap, I'm gonna look a little more. I'm gonna see what else I need for these charts. So I'm prepared. So let's get to it. Alright, it is currently 7:29 and I'm late for work, which is fucking not good. But anyways, basically how possible trade coming up for New York session. AUDUSD is finally back to retest. It kind of broke out of that level and is retesting this area right here. Everything has been a structure already. Now we're simply just waiting for this retest along this area here. If we can get that retest possibly down here, even better. You know, that'd be even better. Even better. Oh, GPAUD is still continuing to go up. We could have taken a sell here. Luckily, I was asleep. But yes, NZD/USD is my favorite one. As I said it last week, is waiting for that retest here. Have some rejection from this area right here. Simply take those sells to right here for a possible. I think this might be a 2.5 hour multiple. It might be. It's a really, really nice trade. Really beautiful trade. And then this is our trade setup right here. Something along the lines of, get the underneath, TP somewhere here. Does that make sense? Yes, that makes sense. If I get it right here. Yes, that makes sense. Perfect. So now what I do is just wait and see what we can get. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be under these wicks, but since we have more confirmation telling us that it's having a rejection, this is like the most viable option right now, right here. So that's basically it. And then for the rest of the pairs, why do I have such a small screen? We're waiting for this to have a rejection from this area here. Still not having it just yet. Taking its time. This we could take some sells here on this counter trend trade here. This one still needs more time. That still needs to reject fully at this area of interest. Still hasn't. Do not trust it as of right now. And then yeah, that's basically it. So I have to get to work like right now. So I'll see you guys probably the same time. No, because I'm going to the gym. So I'm gonna see. So let's get to it. Alright, it is currently 11:13, and we are in a position. We've been in this position since I believe 8 o'clock, 8:30, I believe. If I went off base exactly what I was doing. I'm in a tucking rack because I'm using fucking liners right now. It's just not focusing. I'm using liner strips to get my teeth white, you know, because I have a good look. Anyways, let's get into it. So the first trade we took was on AUD/USD. How and why we took it was simply because we had a good entry. Beautiful rejection from this 4 hour main area. Engulfing, boom, taken. Stop losses under these candles right here. Could have easily put it higher, but simply did not want to. Felt more comfortable simply with this. So that's what I did. I simply could have used a lot less of a stop loss, but it is what it is. Right now, this is our next potential trade. We're waiting for like something here for a break and retest from this area right here to be able to have a good area to take right now, and then we'll see exactly what we're gonna be doing for this trade. But as for right now, we're simply just not gonna be doing anything right now, and just be in the situation here. Okay, and the CAD/JPY is no longer an option, so that's screwed. This one is no longer an option. And NZD/USD is looking mad gay. Honestly, I'm sorry, but it looks really bad to me. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I don't like how it's not like rejected from that area at all. My TV, what the fuck? Assuming that's the situation that we're in right now, and that's kind of the analysis and thinking we have. Fuck. So just wait, you know. Wait for a perfect setup. That's one thing we need. Is just a good, very good setup. And be taking a trade. Just be patient. Wait for the market to give us a signal, and boom, shaka, laga, we're in. After right now, we're a little bit of drawdown in the trade we're in right now. Might stay up for this trade right here for GBP/AUD. If we have a nice engulfing, when I mean like a nice engulfing, I mean like if one candle consumes like all of this information right here, like up to here in it breaks, I'm for sure taking that trade. 100% to BT. That is my trade. I'm taking it, and we're gonna make some money off of it. If we don't, we don't. You know, it is what it is. You know, we understand the risk. We understand everything we're gonna do, and boom, we move on. So let's get to it. I'm waiting till I'm stay up for London. See what's up. Probably gonna take a little nap, and I'm gonna see exactly what we have left. So that's right now. We're just gonna wait, be patient, see. We have some entries on gold if possible, with very small area of interest. As for right now, all those pairs are at the highest point. So I simply do not know exactly what to do, what will happen, what the probability of what's gonna happen. So we just wait and see. So let's get to it. All right, it's currently the next day. It is 7:57 a.m. and we gotta go to work at 9 to make some extra money. So right now, our position is some drawdown right here. A bad drawdown. What's gonna happen? I have no idea. No idea at all. So I'm gonna be patient about it. We're gonna wait it out. That's the only thing we can do, just wait. Hopefully the 4 hour does not close like that. Hopefully it has some rejection. And it continues to go to the upside. I know there's news. Let me see exactly when there's news. Let's click news at 8:30. We're in AUDUSD. So this is gonna be a beautiful trade we're gonna have here. A very beautiful trade. We're gonna be patient about it. We're gonna wait it out and just see exactly what else we need to do for this setup, because right now we can't do much. You know, the only thing we can do is just be patient, calm, and just wait. That's really the only thing we can do. Just wait it out, see what we can get. And let's get to it. As for right now, all these other setups are looking like trash, honestly. They're not what I would want to have seen. But NZD/USD is looking like it has some rejection from this area right here. I would like for it to have a structure on the 4 hour if possible, to have a retest if possible, because right now it is bullish as fuck. Extremely bullish. So we gotta do is be patient and wait for the market to give us a good trade. Because right now it is looking like we have nothing. Let's just look at gold, because I know gold has some good possibilities too. Alright. I do not know what to do with this shit. This was simple, right? I've traded this a billion times in Forex. Simple, simple, simple. Alright. There's not much to it right now. There isn't anything at all for us to really see or look at. So all we gotta do now is just, I'm gonna keep saying it, just be patient. That's the only thing we have left to do. Like, any other opportunity that we have is simply just that. So we gotta wait it out. Let's see. Let's get to it. Alright, it is currently 11:30 p.m. So right now we are waiting for NZD/USD. To give you a heads up, we did get stopped out on AUD/USD here. Get stopped out. The probability of it continue going up, but with NZD, it's kind of following NZD a little bit. So if it's following it, NZD/USD is going to have a very big possibility of it dropping, and I'm going to take that trade. So right now for NZD/USD, I'm currently waiting for the trade to give me a nice rejection. I'm looking for a shift of structure for me to take that sell there. I'm still gonna figure out my TP and my stop loss. I'm probably gonna do it right now. Actually, let's do it right now. So this is not the area that I want to get stopped. Kind of want to have it right here. If I get enter in right here, let's do it to here. Something like that. Something like that would be perfect. But probably with not entry there, it's probably gonna be something like this. We'll see what happens. Because for it to have a shift of structure, I mean, it already had a shift of structure. It already had. Only 4 hour, no. Only 2 hour, no. Only 1 hour, yes. We kind of went bearish again, bullish. I have to see exactly what's gonna happen. But I'm probably gonna take it on the engulfing. We'll see exactly. Because right now, we did have a shift structure already. All we're waiting for is that engulfing. There's shift structure on the 1 hour. 2 hour, no. But it is rejecting from this little area here. So if I'm able to enter in here, somewhere here, have my stop loss above that. TP set to, let's look at the daily. Honestly, the daily is coming up to like right here. Right here. Right there is too low. It's not really at the area of interest. I feel like the most previous one we could kind of go after is that one right there. So we'll see. So right now we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna be awake and we're gonna see exactly what the market has planned for us. If we get a kind of a deeper pullback and kind of have like a little shift right here, something like this, and then take it like that, that'd be even better. We'll see. I'm gonna be out here waiting to see. I'm gonna take it, go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up at 6:30. Patience, 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 patience. Let's get to it. One thing to mention, GPAUDs are gonna get a good trade. We're going for the break and retest from this area here. Just left head, right shoulders for me. Have a beautiful entry there. Boom. Stop loss probably be under the top of there. Let's get downside. That's basically it. And now we wait. See what time we got. Alright, we have our engulfing right here on a 30-minute time frame, rejection, everything here. Let's go to notes. Bumper cuts. We understand that our stop loss can be hit. Very reasonable. We have reasonable stop loss. It's above here. It's rejection from this area right now on the 30-minute time frame. 1 hour rejection. 30-minute engulfing. And there's no stop loss can be hit. We would be wrong. 30-minute EMA. Everything's there. 110. All we do now is simply just enter. It is a 4.5. Not 4.5 multiple, 2.2. That is the trade we're in. And that's it. We're gonna get to it. Let's see, we're gonna go to sleep. We'll fucking go to sleep. And we have another trade. So, let's hit it. And it's currently 7:03. So, we're in this trade already. We've been in this trade before. I could have easily entered on this little minor left head, right shoulder right here. When it's engulfing, easily could have had it. But we are in. Stop loss there, TP there, looking like it's already waking a little bit. Perfect. All we do is leave it and forget about it. This is a trade that I really wanted to hop into before. I was waiting for the break and retest. Did not happen. Simply just continue to go up. It is what it is. This I'm still waiting for it to go back to this area of interest for us to take that trade to the downside. And that's basically it. You know, it's kind of done for the week, honestly. Everything else is kind of garbage. It is for retest there, but it's probably not going to happen this week. Simply going to have to wait for the market to give us something. And this one looks like you could, an SPX 500, so you could take some buys here if you really wanted to. I think that's my area. My area is right here. Yeah, you could probably take some buys there. Yeah, but taking buys to the high point, for me, it does not make too much sense. Yeah. Cha-cha. And gold, I have no idea what to do. It is completely awkward to look at. So right now, I'm going to work soon. I'll get to it. I'm going to continue to look at it. That's kind of the only thing I'm looking at is the trade I'm in already. So simply being, that's it. And I'll see you guys in 2 hours or more. It's currently 12:07 a.m. and we're gonna do our little chart breakdown for right now. So this is the profit we are right now. Hopefully when we wake up, that shit is all the way. Probably not. It's probably gonna retest right here. Then it's gonna potentially go down for New York. So we're gonna check the news. I believe we do have news out. at, let me see, let's see. What do we got? 2 a.m. and 8:30. Friday, what we got? 5 o'clock GBP. That's not gonna really do shit, but if it does, let's get it. Right now, this one is a goner. Right, this one can be a potential trade for next week. It is finally has not touched it yet. So, we're gonna wait. This one, we're gonna wait. We need a bigger break. So we need more information. We need a break to the downside for us to be interested. This completely didn't even just go underway at all. Like, it just stood there. And then these we gotta wait for. There has not been a lot of shit. Barely any fucking movement whatsoever. Barely any fucking movement. That is fucking crazy, bro. This is creating some movement. Like, I understand what's gonna be happening. Like, it's gonna happen. Something big's gonna happen. Why? This beautiful left head, right shoulder. It's making another left head, right shoulder. Literally, right here. Cannot get any cleaner than that. So I'm gonna wait. It's probably gonna retest again. Probably in London. It's a pretty good time to paste another entry. If people are not entered in yet, good time to enter in. If it does retest, and then take it down to the downside. And then my only good opportunity is your AD if it comes back. As for right now, that's it. My teeth are getting wider. Let's go, bro. Alright. That's basically it. I'm gonna go to sleep. Go to work tomorrow. Probably gonna get fired from the job tomorrow. Talk about it later. But anyways. I don't know. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, bro. Let's get it. Alright, everybody. It's currently 7:22. It is the 4th day. I haven't been saying days wrong. Anyways. Anyways. As for right now, we're still in a little bit of drawdown. The market just keeps retesting this area. I understand that's good. The left head, right shoulder is coming to retest this area again. Semi opinion, that's fine with me. You know, I don't mind the amount of retest it takes. But it is Thursday. So I do not want to take out the trade too early on Friday because I cannot hold over the weekend. So I do not want to break one of the rules. And biggest comeback of GPAUD. Biggest fucking comeback of GPAUD. That news is rocking that shit down, bro. It is rocking that shit down. I'm being so dead ass. That shit just took that shit back down. Biggest comeback. It had broken back down. So the only thing we're gonna be waiting for right now is for that retest. Probably right here. If we get a deeper retest, even better. You know. That's for right now. We wait for these setups, and just see what we capture. This one is GPAUD. It's not really moving too much, so it's alright. All these other trades still aren't too good. The ones I am now are the best setups as for right now. Best setups. Oh, Chevron have broke through. We're gonna be looking for some buys there, possibly. Let's fucking go. That's for right now. I'm gonna wait and see. Alright, it's currently now it's kind of the 5th day, or it's Friday now. It's 42. So right now, bro, what the fuck? This shit got me mad trippy. It's got me tripped out. It's got me tripped out. What the fuck? What else can we do? Literally. What else can we do? Absolutely fucking nothing. Nothing at all. Really. It's fucking wild, bro. There's literally no opportunity. I mean, GP NZD is kind of like the only trade. They kind of take up a counter trade. Finally gonna get that retest. We're gonna wait for that to come and retest. Possibly have a sell there. Cause what the fuck? My friend's gonna teach me how to trade US 30. Because it looks really obvious. Like there was opportunity. There was opportunity there. There was I'm not maybe there was opportunity there. Yeah, so he's gonna teach me how to trade US 30. So I could try also trade US 30 as well. Because we do want to trade gold. But we're gonna try to trade US 30. That's basically it as for right now. I'm gonna see what the fuck happens. Because USD. What are you doing? Literally. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. It's currently 7:19. And we woke up to this. Let me zoom in. It's being stopped out once again. Simple. Risk management, motherfucker. Risk management. The next trade is gonna pay for all those losses, honestly. And I'll be back into profit. That sucks. No. It is what it is. I followed my rules. I did everything I could. I didn't put my stop loss to all the way because I didn't believe the market needed that. But I guess I was wrong, you know. I had all those rejections, all those stuff. I didn't think that. Usually at that point, it just it is what it is. So we're now out 4% for the week. $12,000 right there. It sucks, but what can you do? There's nothing you can do. Nothing. That's just market movement, literally. So there's nothing for me today. I don't take trades on Friday unless I have a live account, which I do not. Then right now I'm just simply done for the week. It's Friday, you know. We did end off on a loss for the week. We're down 4% of the account. You know that one trade can make up those losses, and then 2 trade will get us profit. You know, simple as that. We just wait and we see our opportunities. We take what we can, and then we move on. Simple as that. Move on. So I'm gonna go to it. I gotta work, and then I'm gonna get ready. Let's get it.